Speed up your computer within 2 minutes. Follow this step. Go to Start and click here and click Runs and type percentage stamp percentage and click, and you go to this page and you can select this all file. You can use Ctrl A1 and select all, click delete. After that you can delete all your temporary file. Second step, go to Start, click Runs, type here prefetch and select OK, and select this all temporary file, all these select and click delete here. It should be okay now. You can see here. After that you have to go to disk cleanup, click here OK, and click all the checkbox correct marks. After that you can clean up your system here. Now please click clean up button. Now OK, 100% your computer is now very speed. You can use your computer very speedily. More video, please subscribe our YouTube channel.